Alright, so this is the pressure switch for the top of the 5-gallon-a-minute pump. And the switch is this one here, and this switch can be replaced independently of the housing. Sometimes you just need to take it out and clean it up. So this is disassembled. We're going to put it back in its housing. So the connections are like this on the two opposite sides for your wires. Come through this little rubber snugger. There's a groove on here that matches up with the groove on this. And you slide it into that groove and push the switch down into its hole like this. So now we have it back in place and we can see that we got the switch in. Now we got these parts that actuate it. All right, and this little jobber has a hinge part that goes on there and goes into the hole. You have a gasket to try to keep out the moisture. Goes on top of that. Then the spring goes on this larger nub, and the little switch actuator hat sits inside the spring. Then this guy goes in there like so. Make sure that the rubber doesn't get caught on the edge. Sometimes it likes to stick out the side. And now we've got a switch. This is the Allen screw for adjusting the pressure for when it turns on and off. So if it's not turning on or off at the right place, you can adjust that up or down and adjust the pressure from the pump.